The Trader's Mindset Toolkit: Essential Mental Skills to Boost Your Confidence and Control by Money Masters X. Welcome to the Trader's Mindset Toolkit. If you've ever felt stuck in the cycle of emotional decisions, blown trades, or inconsistent results, this book is for you. Because real trading success, it doesn't come from having the perfect strategy or a magic indicator. It comes from mastering yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, your habits. That's what separates the traders who survive and grow from the ones who burn out. In this audiobook, I'm going to give you a mental blueprint, a toolkit to help you build the focus, discipline, and emotional control that real, consistent trading demands. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. The Emotional Enemies of Traders. Every trader starts with a dream: freedom, profits, independence. But most don't realize that the market's biggest enemy isn't out there on the chart. It's you. More specifically, it's your emotions. Let's talk about the 5 most dangerous emotional traps that ruin traders. First, fear. Fear shows up when you hesitate, overthink, or panic exit good trades. You're afraid to lose, afraid to enter, or afraid to miss out. Either way, fear paralyzes action. Second, greed. Greed makes you over-leverage. It tells you to hold just a little longer, take one more trade, double down after a win, and it almost always ends badly. Third, revenge trading. After a big loss, you jump back in out of frustration. You're not trading the chart. You're trying to get even. That's not strategy. That's emotional gambling. Fourth, overconfidence. A few wins, and suddenly you feel invincible. You start breaking your rules, increasing your size, and assuming you can't lose. The market loves to humble you after that. And finally, impatience. You don't wait for clean setups. You enter early. You cut trades too soon. You chase trades you shouldn't even be in. Impatience is how discipline dies. The good news is, these emotions don't have to control you. And the rest of this book is going to show you how to take that control back. Chapter 2. How to Build a Winning Trading Mindset. The best traders don't win because they're always right. They win because they think right. Let's talk about how to start thinking like a professional. First, think in probabilities, not predictions. You don't need to be right every time. You just need to take trades with a statistical edge and manage your risk. Second, detach emotionally from individual trades. Treat every trade like a business decision, not a lottery ticket, not a personal bet, not a source of ego, just a trade. Third, follow a process. The best traders don't guess. They execute repeatable routines with military discipline. Your process should tell you when to enter, when to exit, and when to walk away. Fourth, zoom out. Don't obsess over a single win or loss. Think in terms of the next 100 trades. That's where consistency lives. And fifth, accept risk. If you can't emotionally handle the amount you're risking, you're not trading, you're hoping. That's the mindset that wins over time. Chapter 3. Discipline, routines, and trading plans. Mindset is powerful, but without discipline, it falls apart. Let's build that structure. Start with a daily routine. Every trading day should have a beginning, middle, and end. Before the market opens, scan your watch list, review news, and mentally prepare. During trading hours, only take trades that fit your plan. After the market closes, review what worked and what didn't. Then, create a written trading plan. It should answer 5 questions. 1. What do you trade? 2. When do you trade it? 3. What qualifies as a valid setup? 4. How do you manage risk? And 5. When do you stop for the day? Then, stick to it, even when it's boring, even when you're tempted, even when you're on a win streak. Discipline is your edge. Chapter 4. Risk management equals emotional control. Want to trade with less stress? Manage your risk like a professional. First, keep your position size small. Risk 1% or less per trade. That way, a loss never shakes your confidence. Second, Use a stop loss. Set it before the trade starts. Respect it. No exceptions. Third, focus on risk to reward, not just win rate. If you risk $100 to make $200, you only need to win 4 out of 10 trades to be profitable. Fourth, set a daily loss limit. If you hit your loss cap, walk away. Don't try to earn it back. That's how accounts die. Risk management isn't just about protecting your capital. It's about protecting your mindset. Chapter 5. Journaling and Self-Reflection. Want to become your own trading coach? Start journaling. Every day, log your trades, your setups, your emotions, and your mistakes. Track patterns. Ask hard questions. Be honest. Then, review your journal weekly. Look for reoccurring emotional triggers. See what setups work best. Use your insights to adjust your plan. Ask yourself, why did I take that trade? Was it logical or emotional? Did I stick to my plan? What can I do better next time? This is how traders evolve. Journaling turns experience into wisdom. Chapter 6. Becoming an emotionally elite trader. This is what it's all about. Becoming the kind of trader who can handle anything that the market throws at you. Let's break it down. Patience. You don't chase. You wait for the best setups. Resilience. You bounce back after a loss. You reflect, reset, and return. Growth mindset. You're not aiming to be perfect. You're aiming to improve every day. Mental habits. You breathe, you journal, you reflect, you walk away when needed. Humility. You don't get cocky on wins. You don't get crushed by losses. You stay level, focused, steady. This is the real edge. Not just skills, but emotional strength. Final thoughts. You now have the toolkit. You've seen the emotional traps. You've learned how to build discipline, manage risk, reflect, and grow. Now it's time to apply it. Start small. Trade your plan. Control your emotions. And show up, no matter what the market does. This is how real traders are built. Thanks for listening. Money Masters X.